Pigoment is a new free image editor available on most platforms, Windows, Linux, and Mac. The interface is designed to be simple but also customizable and should be familiar to most users. The docks here, or panels, which are called dockables, can be stacked together, like so, into tabs, and freely moved around vertically and resizable. And you can even also pop out these into their own window, which might be useful in multi-monitor setups. Most of the settings, such as hotkeys, are configurable through the settings menu. Here you can see all of the hotkeys that we currently have. Pigoment has most of the basic features that one might expect from any graphics editor, such as a ruler for precise editing, with guides that can be dragged out from the ruler to aid in more precise editing. It can also be moved back, like so. There's also a grid, toggleable from here, which is also configurable here. There's also a pixel grid, which can also be toggled on, showing you a grid to align perfectly on the grid. Beyond the canvas itself, there are a number of basic adjustments and editing operations you can perform. You can resize the image using nearest or bilinear interpolation, or you can resize the canvas itself, which will expand or contract the actual document and not the content. And of course, you can flip the image, flip horizontal, flip vertical, or you can also rotate. There are a number of effects that you can add to your image, such as adjustment of brightness and contrast, as well as hue, saturation, levels, color balance, color temperature, and there's also blur and sharpen. You can also generate clouds, for example, which use noise, and a few other types of noise, which may be useful for generating textures or brushes. Pigoment supports digital painting with its brush tool. There's also pressure sensitivity, which you can get from touch or Wacom devices. Brushes can easily be created by importing textures either from a file or from the current document. Pigoment also supports vector graphics. Shapes can be created using the Shape tool. You can create easily rectangles or ellipses. You can also create custom shapes using the Pen tool. Shapes can be adjusted, moved, and transformed using the Shape Select tool. They can be edited using double-click, rotated, scaled, and repositioned. You can also change the fill, and you can also flatten the image. And now these are pixels. Of course, text can also be added. And moved with the Shape Select tool.